I, Balayidde Moses, solemnly affirm that I will be faithfully and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda.
Indirect and that communicate our or reveal any matter to any person.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God, solemnly affirm that we will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution.
Swear in the name of Almighty God, solemnly affirm that I will give the faith service to the council.
Swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm
that I will give faithful service to this council
And uphold the Constitution.
So help me God.
Njagala okwebaza abantu b'omunaka West abasobola okumpa akalulu n'ekibiina kyange kya NUP. Kakati ensonga ze tugenda okusookerako ze ensonga z'abantu abo informal sector.
Neerayiridde okuweereza eggwanga lyange nga siritiiridde ne neerayirira okubeera nga mpeereza bannakampala ewatali kutya konna.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.